Hello, in this lab we are going to look at 12.3.10, which is to secure a home wireless network. Pause the video and work at your own pace. So let's start up. Let's input the IP address 192.168.0.254, and then we'll start up. The first task is to let's input our username and password that was provided. Alright, so we are now inside, and then the first task is to change the settings on the wireless access point using the following details. Okay, so we'll go to services, we'll go to wireless rather, and then wireless network SSID, we change it to police van, and wireless security, WPA. Authentication is going to be WPA2, and encryption is going to be AES. So we select AES here, and let's see the WPA shared key. Let's see what's okay. We type it in. This is the security key that was provided, and let's save. No, there's something we've not added here. Then let's go to see, change the wireless access point administrator authentication using the following SSID. So this username is going to be admin, and password, you can just copy all of these details if it will be faster for you. So we re-enter the password again just to confirm, and then let's see, we can now apply changes, and let's check our answers. Alright, so if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.